English class. Let me introduce once again. This is Mohammad Lichumia, Senior Lecturer in English, Kuliachar Gap College, Kuliachar, Kishoreganj. Dear student, today I am going to talk about the very easy and very simple but important topic in English grammar, that is the use of capital letters in English language. So let's start now. I hope that you will enjoy the class. Let us notice the sample question first. Sample question. Suppose you know that health is wealth. A sound mind lives in a sound body. This is the sample question you will face in the exam, and you will have to correct the sentence. You will have to use capital letter where necessary. You understand? Then let's know some important rules of using capital letter. Number 1, capital is the first word in a sentence. In every sentence, capitalize the first word in every sentence. That is, whenever you will write the sentence, the initial word of the sentence must be written in a small capital letter in the initial. Example, health is wealth. There, H is the initial word of the H is the initial letter of the word health. Next sentence, what is your name? Here we notice W is in capital letter. Close the door. Here C is the capital letter. How beautiful the bird is. Here how is the capital letter. You understand? Now let us see the second rules. To write the name of a person, whenever you write the name of a person in a sentence, you must use capital letter to write the top word of the name. I met my friend John yesterday. Here John is the capital letter. You understand? Number 3, to write the name of a city. Whenever you write the name of a city or the place of any country of the world or any places, you must use a capital letter of the initial in word. He lives in New York. Here New N is the capital letter. York Y is the capital letter. To write the name of organization or institutions. You understand? Whenever you write the name of institution, you must write it capital letter in the initial format of the place. Dhaka University. Dhaka is the name of a place. Dhaka University is the institution. Here D and U is the capital letter. Then let's see the next rule. To write the days, the month and holidays. That is, whenever you write any days, month or holidays, you must use capital letter in the initial place. She came here on Monday last. Here M is the capital letter. Your examination will be held on May. May is the name of a month. Dear student, you know May is the name of a month. So M is the capital letter. Next, to write the specific geographical regions. He lives in the west. He lives in the west. এখানে ওয়েস্ট দ্বারা একটা জিওগ্রাফিক্যাল রিজন অর্থাৎ ভৌগোলিক অঞ্চলকে বোঝানো হয়েছে, সেই জন্য এখানে ডব্লিউ টা আমরা ক্যাপিটাল লেটার ব্যবহার করলাম। বাট ইউ মাস্ট রিমেম্বার, don't capitalize points of the compass. The sun rises in the east. Here the sun rises in the east. সূর্য পূর্ব দিকে ওঠে, এখানে একটা দিককে বোঝানো হচ্ছে, এই জন্য এখানে আমরা এটা ক্যাপিটাল লেটার ব্যবহার করা যাবে না। নেক্সট, to write the job title. Dear student, you know, to write the job title, you must use the capital letter of the initial word. Please inform the principal of the meter. Here, principal is the job title, headmaster, secretary. This is the job title, and you must write down. You must use capital letter of the word. Please inform the principal. Here P is the capital letter. Number 7. Capitalize all the words in titles of books, articles, work of art, movie, etc. অর্থাৎ তোমরা যখন কোনো বইয়ের নাম, কোনো আর্টিকেলের নাম, ওয়ার্ক অফ আর্ট অথবা কোনো ছবির নাম, সিনেমার নাম লিখবে, you must use the initial word. To write the initial word, you must use capital letter. Suppose Titanic is the name of a movie. M ta boro hater. Gulliver Travels, G boro hater. Travels e T ta boro hater. The Arabian Nights, D A Nights er N is the capital letter. But you must remember, you don't capitalize preposition and conjunction. Okay? যখন কোনো একটা টাইটেল, কোনো আর্টিকেলের নাম, বইয়ের নাম আমরা ব্যবহার করব, তখন কোনো অবস্থাতেই প্রিপোজিশন এবং কনজাংশন বড় হাতের অক্ষর দিয়ে শুরু করব না। Then capitalize the first word of a quote if the quote is a complete sentence. Notice, he said honesty is the best policy. Again, honesty is the best policy is the complete quotation, and we have used S in the initial word honesty. In the very beginning of an initial word, S is the capital letter. But don't capitalize the first word of a capital quote. He described the rules as extremely difficult. Here, extremely is the part of the quotation. As a result, we haven't used capital word, capital letter, that is E is a small letter. Understand? Then capitalize trademarks. আমরা যখন কোনো ট্রেডমার্ক ব্যবহার করব, ট্রেডমার্কের কথা উল্লেখ করব, then we must use the capital letter. The boy etc. loves to drink Coca-Cola. Here Coca, C, Cola, C, capital letter. Then to write abbreviation. Whenever you write abbreviation, অর্থাৎ যখন কোনো আমরা একটা সংক্ষিপ্ত আকারে লিখব, সাপোজ MA মাস্টার অফ আর্টস, আমরা মাস্টার অফ আর্টস না লিখে আমরা লিখেছি MA, BA ব্যাচেলর অফ আর্টস, BCS বাংলাদেশ সিভিল সার্ভিস, we have used capital letter in the every part. Then to write the name of religions, আমরা যখন ধর্মের নাম লিখব তখন আমরা বড় হাতের অক্ষর দিয়ে শুরু করব। ইসলাম I, হিন্দু সনাতন, খ্রিস্টান C, এইভাবে আমরা বড় হাতের অক্ষর দিয়ে শুরু করব। Then to write the nationality, the জাতীয়তা বোঝাতে আমরা ক্যাপিটাল লেটার ব্যবহার করব। আম বাংলাদেশি, here Bangladeshi B is the capital letter. I am a British, he is a British, B is the capital letter. To write the special days and festival, আমরা যখন কোনো উৎসবের নাম লিখব বা কোনো দিনের বিশেষ কোনো দিনের নাম উল্লেখ করব তখন we must use capital letter in the initial stage. I like celebrating পহেলা বৈশাখ, পহেলা বৈশাখ P বড় হাতের, বৈশাখের B টা বড় হাতের। To write the pronoun I, you know I is the pronoun. It may be placed in the sentence, top of the sentence or the middle of the sentence. অর্থাৎ pronoun I sentence যে কোনো জায়গায় বসুক না কেন, it must be in capital letter. Okay, John and I went there. Here I is the pronoun and you notice that I is the capital letter. To write the name of a creator, whenever we will write the name of creator, we must use capital letter. Allah is kind. এখানে আল্লাহ লিখতে আমরা এটা বোরাতে লিখেছি। Okay, then let's summarize the rules once again. First letter in a sentence. First letter in a sentence. Then to write quotation. Then job title. Days and month. Pronoun I. Proper noun. Geographical region. Title of anything. You understand? That is, whenever you will write the quotation, job title, days and month, pronoun I, proper noun, geographical region, title of anything, days and month, etc., you must use capital letter in the initial places. Dear student, hope that you have enjoyed the class and you will remember these rules, and I hope that you will be practically benefited. Enjoy the class once again. Thank you very much. Thank you.